Direction. Read each question carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on the blank before each number. Number 1. Which word rhymes with cat? A. Sun. B. Hat. C. Pen. D. Dog. Number 2. Which word rhymes with cake? A. Fish. B. Rake. C. Ball. D. Book. Number 3. Which word rhymes with ball? A. Wall. B. Tree. C. Pig. D. Map. Number 4. Which pair of words rhymes? A. Dog, sun. B. Cat, pig. C. Fish, dish. D. Ball, pen. Number 5. What is the name of this letter? A. M. B. N. C. L. D. F. Number 6. Which letter comes after T? A. S. B. U. C. V. D. W. Number 7. Which word refers to yourself? A. He. B. She. C. I. D. They. Number 8. Who is your father's son? A. Mother. B. Sister. C. Brother. D. Grandmother. Number 9. What do you say when you meet your teacher in the morning? A. Goodbye. B. Good night. C. Good morning. D. Thank you. Number 10. What do you say when someone gives you a gift? A. Sorry. B. Thank you. C. Excuse me. D. Goodbye. Number 11. What should you say when you accidentally bump someone? A. Hello. B. Welcome. C. Sorry. D. Good evening. Number 12. Which is a CVC word? A. Cat. B. Boat. C. Tree. D. Rain. Number 13. Which is a CVC word? A. Moon. B. Pen. C. Cake. D. Play. Number 14. Which word has the same pattern as bat? A. Hat. B. Bee. C. Tree. D. Goat. Number 15. Which is a common noun? A. Maria. B. Philippines. C. School. D. Monday. Number 16. Which is a proper noun? A. City. B. Girl. C. Teacher. D. Anna. Number 17. Which word names an animal? A. Dog. B. Chair. C. Book. D. Table. Number 18. Which word means a place where children study? A. Spoon. B. School. C. Pencil. D. Flower. Number 19. Which sentence tells about yourself? A. The cat is sleeping. B. I like to play with my friends. B. The birds are flying. Letter D. The flowers are blooming. Number 20. Which sentence tells about your own experience? A. The dog is barking. B. The sun is bright. C. I visited my grandmother last Sunday. Letter D. The book is on the table.